Maybe a last question regarding the heat. As India is rapidly urbanizing and more people are moving to cities and towns, so those places are going to be like the epicenters of heat, and we feel it when we are in India. I mean, it's always like this, that you feel the heat much more in towns and cities. Do you see a way of cooling down these urban centers despite of climate change?
I don't know. Urbanization is really creating a lot of havoc, which we don't know. We are not feeling it. Maybe some people don't feel it, but it's going to be creating more and more issues, and especially on health issues. And there is so-called urban heat island effect, which is normally seen in many, in most of our Indian cities. It is normally seen that within the city, the temperature could be even 3 to 4 degree above, more than what is in the outskirts. So that urban heat island effect is going to increase. So we have not done a detailed analysis how this urban heat island effect is increasing with respect to time. And I am very sure that if you do the analysis, that this trend analysis, the urban heat island effect is going to is increasing. I'm very sure. And so urban cities are they have to take care of themselves. So they have to have their own issues. They have to have their own planning for reduction of this kind of issues. For example, heat waves and urban flooding is another issue. And because see the cities are so crowded, so with the buildings, and so there's not drainage system is not working properly. So when it heavy and nowadays now of course when I will talk about precipitation, I will talk about the details about rainfall pattern. So it rains very heavily. When it rains heavily, the water doesn't have enough space to move, so it goes up. Water is a fluid, so it has to move, it has to flow. If there is not enough space to move, it goes up, natural. So that's why flash floods and all, immediately the cities like Chennai, Bombay, and all can get flooded immediately because of the topography, the structure of the city. And so this issue, the heavy rainfall, heat waves, are all going to increase only. It's not going to reduce. So the urban planners should have their own strategy to take care of the people who are living there. So reduction of flooding from heavy rains, and taking care of people in heat waves. So you need energy conserving methods. So you should not use so much electricity to run air conditioners and all. So it will consume a lot of electricity. So you should find out some innovative method of cooling the buildings, etc. And this cooling is required because otherwise people are not able to survive. So we need a lot of thinking, and also a very innovative actions from the urban planners. And urban issues are going to increase with the global warming.